Okay, so now we're going to review the process of going back again into Navisworks or checking the new clashes that we got. So for that purpose, I have already used with the spheres or with the overrides on the elements. I have moved some of the clashes. So as you can see, not the critical ones because they need major surgery. Because, for example, in this case, you're having a clash detection between the main framing crossing down to the other side, but still those that can be easily managed. For example, those with the collectors, like that, so it's not more colliding. This one as well. Others examples that go a little beyond, and then with that you can avoid the clash. I have moved them. For example, these ones that were intersecting the foundations, now they're on a different distance, and with that they won't have any problems. For instance, this one as well. I'm just going to move a little bit because we want to see the effect, the ripple effect of getting rid of clashes. In this case as well, we need to move almost everything. So we just need to get our coordination sets. For example, it moves like this, and it won't have any more clashing here. So once everything is done, I'm just gonna go for the structural and the clash points and turn them off. Then I need to get rid of the overrides because I don't want them to see anymore. I have already finished with those, so I can get now the override by element reset. Still having some overrides. And with that, what we want to do is, again, we're going to go for the add-in, external tools, and export it to Navisworks. But this time I'm just going to call it as a underscore under dash 01, just to get a quick overview. We haven't checked if we have the grids properly placed. So it says we want divided by levels. Properties, I'm just going to save it. And now that you have it, we can go again to Navisworks. We can append the new file. The new file is called 01SA01. We go to the selection tree. We go back to the standard, and we want to get rid of this one because that's the old one. Then we need to check with this file for the select. And instead of doing it structural, we need to select the new file. We have 178. We run the tests. Now we only have 130. That's because it's file change, and 178 are now being ignored. So if we want to get rid, we can just set reset all and then update all. It will give us that we have already get rid of 48 just by those movements. So As we can imagine, we have already seen we have still those clashes that are really complicated to be solved. But we have already lowered the number down almost by a third just by making those movements. And from then we can continue until we have a clash-free model, which is what we are expecting from this BIM process. Hope you have liked the course. Don't forget to follow for new courses or new tricks. I will be adding new lessons of this course as soon as they are being developed. So still there are a lot of things that can be done or created. If you have any suggestions, don't hesitate. If you have any doubts as well, contact me and recommend this course if you like it. Thank you.